Everyone and welcome to my channel X7 Scratch Tutorials. My name is Suryansh Kushwaha and today's video is going to be a bit different and also a bit shorter from the other videos. Today's video I'm going to do something very different from I do in all of the video. Today I'm going to be doing a tier list. So what is a tier list? First of all, so a tier list is like you rank things in it. You will be able to understand when I start doing the tier list. You won't be able to understand it right now. So how to make a tier list? You see, I use Tiremaker. I just click on it and then I search whatever tier list I want to create. I can just make a template. It is known as tiremaker.com. It is where I create my tier list. So let's first of all come here because I already have it ready. So here are the ranks: S plus, S, A, B, C, D. But we cannot understand all of this. I'm just going to be editing all of this. Instead of S plus, it is going to be God tier. And this is going to be great. Then this is going to be good. This is going to be average, and this is going to be not so good, and this is going to be never use it, very bad. Just for so you can understand. So now what we are going to do is we are going to see what browsers we have here. We have Brave, Chrome. This I don't know what browser is. This is Edge. I think this is the older Edge. This I don't know what browser is. And this is Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera GX, Opera, Safari, Tor. This I don't know, and this also I don't know. So first we have got Brave. Brave is actually a good browser, but it keeps giving advertisements on YouTube a lot, and it also keeps sponsoring my YouTubers. Like my favorite YouTubers, it keeps sponsoring, and which makes the video a bit more like advertisement. It does a lot of advertisements. Brave does a lot of advertisements, but it's overall a very good browser. One of my friends have tried it and it works good. It also is free of ads, but it does a lot of advertisements, and I have never used it, but I have still heard about it. It's pretty good. Also, I'm going to edit it. Don't know, because if I knew any browser, I would rank it somewhere in here. After that we have got Chrome. Chrome is the best browser. It does not even need any explanation why it is the best. I use it, thousands of people use it. Every day it is being used by people, and it does not have any ads, and it is very good. Right now I'm using Chrome, you can see. Then I've got this. I don't know what this is. I really don't know what it is. I'm going to put it in don't know. Then we've got Edge. Edge is actually a great browser. Let me show you. Edge is actually a great browser. I have actually deleted everything from here, because if I keep it to this is the default look, and as you can see, the default look what is this? Why is so much things here? But I just keep it simple. Just go into custom, show greetings, show promoted link, off, image or video of the day. Actually, I don't do custom, I do focused. Nothing is there. It is just super clean. Thing has been cleaned. It is nice. So you have to edit it, and then also it is not a great browser. It also lags a little bit. I've tried it a few times. I do not like to use Edge, but still it is a good browser. It's a great browser, at least better than Brave. Not better than Brave, but yes. Then we've got the old Edge. The same, I think it is same as the new Edge. I don't know. I'm going to put it in the middle, right here. This I don't know. This Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer was the browser we used to download Chrome, but still when your Chrome is not working and Edge is not working, you have to use this, but still it is slow. Like, as you can see, it is not even there in my computer because I have Windows 11, I guess that's why. But still it is a very good browser, a legendary browser. Firefox is also a great browser. I think I have Firefox, yes. So this is Firefox. Firefox is also great. It has this little pocket thing which is also good. It's free also. And then its UI is also very beautiful. I like its UI. It's like this curved UI. Like curved UI. That's why I downloaded Windows 11. So that's why I'm going to be putting Firefox in the great browser. Then Opera GX. I have not used Opera GX, but I have seen it a lot of times in ad and by sponsored YouTubers. It is a gaming browser, but I don't know much about it. I'm going to be putting it in average, so Opera GX lovers don't get angry. Then here is normal Opera. Normal Opera is also great. My friend uses it. I'm going to put it here. Safari is in Apple. It is Apple exclusive. Let me see. Can you download Safari in Windows? Okay, it is only limited to Apple, which does not make it great because you have to buy an Apple device. That's why it is not so good. Tor browser needs to go on the top. You cannot rate Tor browser less than Tor. Go on to Tor browser. So Tor browser is very safe. It keeps you away from surveillance, censorship. It keeps you away from all of the firewalls, and I think it is also used to access the dark web. I don't know about this I don't know. So here is the final tier list. So as always, Chrome needs to be always on top, then Tor browser second best, then Firefox third best, then Brave, then old Internet Explorer and new Internet Explorer. These both are in the same position. I'm just going to take this off. I'm going to take it off. I don't know, I think I'm unable to take it off. And then there is Edge, and then there is normal Opera, there is Internet Explorer, Opera, Safari, and then these all I don't know. Please, if anyone knows, then tell me about these browsers. Anyways, that's it for today's video. As I told you, today's video is going to be unique and short. This was my tier list. I'm just going to take a screen. I'm just going to be taking a screenshot of it. I'm going to be uploading it in my description so you guys can see my tier list. So that's it for the video. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.